AIDS. Okay, AIDS is one of the disease condition. The AIDS will be caused by the one viruses. Okay, in viral infection or due to the viruses, one disease will cause, that is the AIDS. Okay, what is the full form of AIDS? AIDS means acquired immunodeficiency syndrome. Okay, this is the full form of AIDS. Okay, the AIDS is caused by the one virus. What is that virus? HIV virus. Okay, what is that HIV virus? What is the full form of HIV? Human immunodeficiency virus. Okay, HIV virus. The acquired immunodeficiency syndrome is caused by the human immunodeficiency virus. Okay, the virus of HIV is come from the retrovirus family. Okay, in this the infection will be mainly to the vital organs in the human body. Okay, which is the vital organs is there? The vital organs first is affected by this HIV virus. Okay, in this mainly the immune system will be completely deficit. Okay, due to this HIV virus effects, the immune system will be reduced, the immunity power will be decreased. Okay, especially CD4 and T cells and macrophages. Okay, due to these HIV virus toxins, these cells will be reduce their tolerance. Okay, next one is the HIV AIDS will be caused by the direct contact. Okay, through the mucous membrane, that blood or body fluids. Okay, blood or body fluids or HIV, which body fluid or the which secretions will be having that HIV. Okay, those who will be affected by this disease of HIV, like semen or vaginal fluid or sometimes breast milk. Okay, next the AIDS is when the AIDS is discovered in the year of 1983. Okay, 1983 లో AIDS అనేది డిస్కవర్ చేసిరి ఎక్కడ? ఆఫ్రికాలో ఫస్ట్ టైం. ఓకే, ఇన్ ఇండియాలో ఎప్పుడు? 1986లో స్టార్ట్ చేశారు. ఓకే, దీన్ని 1986లో ఐడెంటిఫికేషన్ చేసిరు. ఫస్ట్ కేసు ఎక్కడ మనము చూసాము అంటే ద HIV AIDS విల్ బి డయాగ్నోస్డ్ ఇన్ ద ఫస్ట్ త్రూ ద డాక్టర్ ఆఫ్ Sunit Salman. Okay, Dr. Sunit Salman is identified first case of HIV in Chennai. Okay, especially in the female sex workers who are there in the Chennai, those persons are showing this disease of AIDS. Next one is the mode of transmission. Okay, how the disease will come? Through the direct contact, through the blood, body fluids, బ్లడ్ కానీ బాడీ ఫ్లూయిడ్స్ కానీ లేకపోతే ఈ యొక్క వాట్ ఈస్ దట్ హెచ్ఐవి కంటామినేటెడ్ హైపోడర్మిక్ నీడిల్స్, అంటే ఆల్రెడీ ఒక హెచ్ఐవి పేషెంట్కి ఇచ్చినటువంటి నీడిల్స్ హెల్దీ పర్సన్కి ఇవ్వడం వల్ల ఈ యొక్క డిసీజ్ వచ్చేటటువంటి ఛాన్సెస్ ఉంది. నెక్స్ట్ సమ్ టైమ్స్ త్రూ ద ప్రెగ్నెంట్ మదర్ త్రూ దైర్ ఫీటస్. ఓకే, ప్రెగ్నెంట్ మదర్ ఏం చేస్తుంది? బ్లడ్ సప్లై కంప్లీట్గా యూటరస్ నుంచి ఏమవుతుంది? ఒక ప్లజంటా ద్వారా మెటర్నల్ టు child. Okay, that connection, the infant, the fetal may be develop the disease of this HIV. Okay, next one is the HIV not spread. దేని ద్వారా HIV అనేది రాదు. ఓకే, ఎలా ఏంటి అని అంటే ఇన్ దిస్ ద HIV is not come through the tears. ఓకే, కన్నీళ్ళ ద్వారా ఒక అన్హెల్దీ పర్సన్, అన్హెల్దీ అంటే హెచ్ఐవితో సఫర్ అవుతున్నటువంటి పేషెంట్ యొక్క టీయర్స్ని టచ్ చేయడం వల్ల రాదు. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ వన్ ఈజ్ ద ఫుడ్, అంటే కలిసి తినడం వల్ల. వన్ హెల్దీ పేషెంట్, వన్ హెచ్ఐవి పేషెంట్. ఓకే, హెల్దీ పర్సన్, హెచ్ఐవి పేషెంట్ కంబైన్డ్ ఈట్, ద disease not come. Okay, sometimes through the air. Okay, some diseases are come through the contaminated air or contaminated food, contaminated water, like that we discussed, you know. Okay, in air the disease not come through the this inhalation of air. Next, handshakes. One healthy person, one HIV patient, they are doing shake hands, they are not receive any infection. The disease only come through the direct contact of mucosal membrane. Okay, in this sometimes flies or mosquito bites, okay, ఈగలు దోమలు కీటకాలు ఇవి కుట్టడం వల్ల ఈ డిసీజ్ అనేది రాదు. Okay, sometimes through the urine contamination or sometimes saliva contact. Okay, sometimes this what is that normal, okay, in this normal kissings means, for example, the mother is there. Okay, if the mother is affected by the HIV, the mother is kissed the child, the child not get any HIV disease. When the disease will come? Through the breast milk. ఓకే, ఎప్పుడైతే బ్రెస్ట్ మిల్క్ ఇస్తుందో అప్పుడు మాత్రమే డిసీజ్ వస్తుంది, కానీ నార్మల్ కిస్సింగ్ వల్ల ఈ యొక్క డిసీజ్ అనేది రాదు. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ అనదర్ వన్ ఈజ్ ద షేరింగ్ ఆఫ్ యుటెన్సిల్స్. ఓకే, ఈ యొక్క యుటెన్సిల్స్ షేర్ చేసుకోవడం వల్ల ఈ యొక్క హెచ్ఐవి డిసీజ్ అనేది రాదు. నెక్స్ట్ వన్ ఈజ్ ద క్లాత్స్ షేర్ చేసుకోవడం వల్ల. టాయిలెట్స్, ఆల్రెడీ హెచ్ఐవి పేషెంట్ ఈజ్ వెంట్ ఫర్ దట్ టాయిలెట్స్, ఆఫ్టర్ దట్ ద హెల్దీ పర్సన్ ఈజ్ వెంట్, ద డిసీజ్ నాట్ కమ్. Okay, not spread by these organisms. Okay, tears వల్ల అని ఫుడ్, ఎయిర్, హ్యాండ్ షేక్స్, ఫ్లైస్, మస్కిటో బైట్స్ or normal kissings or some sharing of utensils or sometimes shake hands or sometimes this toilets or bathrooms, the disease not come. Okay, only the HIV will come through these fluids. Okay, through the blood or through the semen or through the vaginal fluid or through the breast milk. Okay, one main process, that is the sexually contacted, only the HIV will cause to the another people. Okay, next one is the symptoms. After affecting this disease of HIV, which type of symptoms we are identified? In this, the symptoms like TB. Okay, next one is the encephalitis. Encephalitis means the brain layer of encephalus layer is there, the layer should be infected by this encephalus. Next one is the meningitis. Meninges layer is there, no, that will be protect brain and spinal cord, the layer will be affected by the infection. Next one is the retinitis. Okay, it is one infection to the eyes. Sometimes if means ఏ యొక్క ఆర్గాన్, వైటల్ ఆర్గాన్ ఏది ఎఫెక్ట్ అయితే దానికి ఈ యొక్క డిసీజ్ అనేది వచ్చేటటువంటి ఛాన్స్ ఉంది. సిమ్టమ్స్, ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ లంగ్స్కి ఎఫెక్ట్ అయితే టీబీ వస్తుంది, బ్రెయిన్కి ఎఫెక్ట్ అయితే ఈ యొక్క ఎన్సెఫలైటిస్ ఆర్ మెనింజైటిస్ వస్తుంది. నెక్స్ట్ ఐకి ఎఫెక్ట్ అయింది అనుకుంటే రెటినైటిస్, స్కిన్కి ఎఫెక్ట్ అయిందంటే స్కిన్ పైన డిఫరెంట్ టైప్స్ ఆఫ్ ట్యూమర్స్ని ఐడెంటిఫికేషన్ చేస్తాం. నెక్స్ట్ వన్ ఈజ్ ఒకవేళ డైజెస్టివ్ సిస్టమ్కి ఎఫెక్ట్ అయింది అనుకోండి, ఈసోఫాగైటిస్ అనే సిమ్టమ్స్ చూస్తాం. సమ్ టైమ్స్ ద పేషెంట్స్ ఆర్ షోయింగ్ వన్ సిమ్టమ్ లైక్ డయేరియా. Okay, these are the symptoms. Next one is the diagnosis. How we will diagnose the patient is suffering with the disease, means in this blood test. Okay, through the blood test, any disease condition, for exact diagnosis we should do only that blood test. Okay, in this blood test we should identify the CD4 count. Why? Because who are affected by this HIV virus, those CD4 count will be decreased. That's why we should do the CD4 count. Next, ELISA test. After that we should do the Tridoid test. Okay, next treatment. Which type of treatment we should provide for the HIV patients, means only one, that one is the antiretroviral treatment. Okay, ART therapy, antiretroviral treatment we should provide. Next one is the symptomatic treatment. And okavela the HIV viral infection will be only brain anko. Okay, if meningitis will be there or encephalitis will be there, for reducing meningitis and encephalitis we should give some of the medications. Or sometimes the patient is suffering with the lung HIV, and due to the HIV virus the person is affected to the lungs. Okay, if the person showing a symptom sputum expulsion or TB, breathing difficulty, like that, means depends upon the symptoms we should provide symptomatic treatment. Okay, if diarrhea will be there, for control of diarrhea we should administer the antidiarrheal therapy. Okay, if body temperature will be raised, for the maintenance of normal body temperature we should administer the antibiotics. Like that, symptomatic treatment we should provide, along with we should administer the antiretroviral therapy. for killing of HIV virus. Next one is the health education. Mainly, first of all, as a healthcare providers, what we have to do means health education. HIV ఎలా వస్తుంది, HIV ఎలా రాదు అనే దాని గురించి we should provide the good awareness in the community people. Okay, in a community people, they don't know what is the awareness or what is the preventive precautions or what is the process of HIV. Okay, that's why we should improve the knowledge on HIV mode of transmission. Okay, for prevention of HIV, what precautions we have to take, for after infection, which type of precautions we should take. Okay, if mother is there, pregnant mother, okay, HIV is affected. Okay, after delivery, the mother should not give any breast milk to the baby. Why? Because for prevention of HIV to the baby. Okay, if the mother is kiss their baby, why? Because through the normal kissing we can't spreading to the HIV to children. Okay, regarding that, what is the differentiation, what is the way of transmission or what is the not way for transmission? Okay, regarding that clarification, we should give some awareness, some health education to the society. Okay, that one is the health education is provided by the PHC, primary health centers, or sometimes in primary health centers we should give proper awareness, proper information, proper guidance. Okay, next counseling services also will be there. Okay, in counseling services they are giving some counseling, means some people will be completely addicted that sexual contact. Okay, through this sexual contact you are having some HIV diseases. Okay, this is most dangerous to your health. Okay, you should stop that sexual contact with the many people. Like that, we should give some counseling to the patients. Okay, for control of disease and for protection of patient. Next one is the this drug therapy, means depends upon their symptoms we should provide the drug, and along with we should provide good nutritious to the patients. Why? Because who are affected by this HIV disease, okay, those immunity power should be day to day life decreased. ఓకే, ఫస్ట్ హెచ్ఐవి వచ్చింది అని అంటే వాళ్ళకి వ్యాధి నిరోధక శక్తి అనేది తగ్గుతుంది. ఓకే, ఆ వ్యాధి నిరోధక శక్తి, ఇమ్యూనిటీ పవర్ ఇంక్రీజ్ అవ్వడానికి వీ షుడ్ ప్రొవైడ్ ద గుడ్ న్యూట్రిషియస్ ఫుడ్ విచ్ ఇస్ ద ప్రోటీన్ ఆర్ కార్బోహైడ్రేట్ or fat. What is the balanced diet will be there, that balanced diet we should provide to the patients for improving their immunity, okay, for fight against the HIV virus. Okay, we should give proper energy to the this CD4 cells, T cells, T lymphocytes and macrophages. Okay, in our body the CD4 count normal, T lymphocytes will be healthy, macrophages will be healthy, means we can't get any diseases. Okay, if they are having some weakness, they are not receiving proper nutrition, then we are having so many of diseases. Okay, this is the treatment and prevention regarding HIV.